Empowering women is not just our mission, it's our masterpiece. Introducing our Nari Shakti jewelry collection, where every piece is a symbol of social empowerment, cultural enrichment, and economic progress. Crafted with dedication and heart, our jewelry embodies the resilience and strength of women. The intricate designs draw inspiration from diverse cultures, weaving stories of heritage and diversity into each creation. With each purchase, you contribute to the economic empowerment of women artisans, helping them secure a brighter future. Wear our Nari Shakti jewelry proudly, for it represents more than adornment. It symbolizes the unyielding power of women and their journey towards prosperity and self-determination. Join us in this noble cause, where beauty meets purpose, and Nari Shakti shines bright. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of this exquisite craftsmanship. Call now or visit our website at www.vimelsfashion.com to explore our limited stock.